All right, we're doing an update on lot number 20. I've been doing this update since day one. I want you guys to check out this drywall work. Nice. Look how high this ceiling goes up. It's about 14 feet. We have the windows up there. It's looking awesome. Very nice. It's really coming together now. Beautiful, isn't it? Look how huge that slider is. Almost the entire back of the house. This is going to be more of a, well, it's going to be a modern home, but it's going to have a little bit of the traditional look of a home, where in the front there it's going to be very grand. Then back in here we're going to have kitchen over there. All this will be great room, which is a very large space. We're going to have the master right here. This master can be extended and made bigger. Master bath there. Huge walk-in closet. Slider right off of the master. I'm really showing you guys the quality and the process of building a home. Whenever I come out here to, or if I sell one of these properties, I do the same thing with everybody. I go through and show them what the home's looking like from step to step, just in case they can't make it out here or they're not in the area. Check out that view, beautiful view. I want you guys to see this here because they do have it stuccoed also. Big laundry room there to the right. Look at this nice stucco work that they did. It's a little smoother than what they typically do. I think it's going to be a look that's going to look fantastic. But it's really starting to come together. Let's walk out here so you guys can see a little bit better. It's a little muddy out here because we've had 18 days of rain. It only rains for like an hour, but boy, when it rains, it goes. It's gonna be beautiful. Right there in the front, that's going to be like a steel roof. Nice big porch, little covered area. It's going to be pretty. And looky there, the neighbor's already starting. Okay guys, I'm going to let you guys go. See you. Bye.